Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to apply an Uber promo code to your account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Uber app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom of the app where you'll see several navigation options. From these options, click on Account. This is where you can manage all your personal settings, payment methods, and various features related to your Uber experience. After clicking on Account, you'll be taken to a new screen with multiple options listed. Look for the option labeled Wallet and click on it. The Wallet section is where Uber stores all your payment-related information, including credit cards, payment methods, and any promotional offers or credits you might have. It's essentially your financial hub within the app. Once you're inside the Wallet section, scroll through the available options until you find one called Promotions. This is the specific area where you can add and manage any promo codes you've received. Under Promotions, you'll see an option that says Add Promo Code. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new field where you can enter your promotional code. Now, you'll see a text field appear on your screen where you can input your Uber promo code. Carefully type in the promo code exactly as it was given to you. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos, as promo codes are usually case sensitive and need to be entered precisely to work correctly. Double check the code before moving forward to ensure it's accurate. After entering your promo code, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Add Offer. Click on this button to submit your promo code. The app will then verify the code, and if it's valid, apply it to your account. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that the promo code has been successfully added to your wallet. And that's it. You've successfully applied your Uber promo code, and the discount or credit will automatically be applied to your next eligible ride. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.